So very excited to be here today talking about improvements on the home. So many of our clients are buying homes and looking to do, kitchen renovations or bathroom renovations or any sort of renovation in the home, new flooring, whatever it might be. But they don't always have the money because they've, bought this home and now there's no money left. So you have a program out there where they can actually get money, put it towards their mortgage, and do these improvements. So can you tell us a little bit about that?
Absolutely, yeah. So it's called the Purchase Plus Improvements. And it's great because just like you said, clients are already stretching their budget so much when they're buying a home. They're using all of their down payment to be able to buy the home. But oftentimes the house isn't what they've dreamed about. So if you want to do the kitchen, if you want to do the flooring, if you want to do the bedrooms or the bathrooms, we can assist you with the renovations by including a budget for those renovations in your mortgage. There are some terms and conditions with it and kind of what you have to do, but the take-home point is we'll give your lawyer all of the money right away, and then when the work's done, we can give you that money back through the lawyer. Being from CIBC, we can take it one step further and introduce you to a financial advisor, which is great because then we can give you, a big credit card or a big line of credit to help you along that process so that you're not out of pocket or asking family or friends for the money for that renovation.
So David, how would it be if someone's looking to buy $1 million property? Like how much money, potentially how much money could they get to do these improvements that they want to do?
Yeah, so there's no real top end budget. I have a client right now who's purchasing a home for $1 million and they're doing a very large renovation and they want $300,000. We send an appraiser to the home with the quotes and with the drawings. And the appraiser really determines what the as complete value is. So once it's all done, what the value is going to be, and we base everything off of that number. So there's no top end budget, but I've seen anywhere from $250,000 to $350,000 in
That's
available
amazing.
funds.
You could do like a complete renovation with that amount of money.
Absolutely.
And the other thing that I thought was really interesting is that not having to provide any receipts, but really you had mentioned because you've done it yourself, right?
Absolutely,
Like just kind of having a before and after kind of photo type of thing, right?
For sure, yeah. So we send an inspector there. So we don't care who does the work. We ask that you provide a contractor's drawings of what the home looked like before and after, as well as what the total cost is going to be, so what the budget is going to be. But we don't ask to see that the work has been, we only ask that the work has been completed. We don't ask to see who actually did the work.
That's amazing. Yeah, so you could actually do some of the work yourself if you wanted to.
For sure, absolutely. There are a lot of handymen out there and a lot of handy women out there, and if you want to do that work yourself and you have the capacity to do so, then absolutely. We don't use that against you at all.
Perfect. Fabulous. Okay, that's great. Thank you so much, David. For more information, please contact either one of us.
Thank you.